Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change number in your Gmail account. So guys, let's go to your Gmail account. Now go to your profile and then tap on Google account. Now go to personal info. Swipe down. Now tap on phone. Now tap on the arrow besides number and then tap on the pencil icon besides number. Now you have to enter your password, and after entering your password, just tap on next. Now again tap on the pencil icon. Tap on update number. And now here you have to enter the number that you want to change, and then just tap on select, and then your phone number will be changed in your Gmail account. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can change your mobile number in Gmail account very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.